Oh my god, just look how beautiful and gorgeous it looks. Did paint this beautiful scenery, and yes, these are very pretty leaves, and it was kind of easy to paint this because I started with this background and then I just kept altering the colors little bit lighter, starting from black, very dark shade. I just kept on I went lighter in the shade and the bluish greenish colors, and I kept on overlaying the colors one upon the other, and this is how it looks right now. But I do want to add flowers in it, and I am kind of skeptical which type of flowers should I add. This looks sort of beautiful, isn't it? Because oh, just look how peaceful it is, just very peaceful. The shades of green, I just love it. The different blues and greens together, that just looks very pretty. I use these beautiful colors that have multiple pigments, very sparkly, and such a pretty iridescence it has. So these paints are from Luminosa Watercolors. It is a company from India, and I really love these colors, and with using these colors to give the final touches to my paintings. So in the background I use these beautiful colors, and look how pretty it looks. It just looks so beautiful. I'm going to remove the tape and see how it's going to look. Oh my god, just look how beautiful and gorgeous it looks. Just look at the colors that shimmers through. It's just perfection. I'm in love with this. This is amazing. Just look at the shimmer. Wow, just amazing. I love this shimmer. It's just so pretty. Look at it.